What's up, guys? Thanks for joining another episode of Cars, Bikes, and Coffee, where we like to save and restore cars. Occasionally we do tool reviews, and today we're taking a look at the Depstech dual lens endoscope and why you need one in your toolbox. So what is a dual lens endoscope and why do you need one for your toolbox? Well, for one, a dual lens basically has a camera on one end and a camera on the side. And what this does is allows you to look into places that are very small that you couldn't be able to look with a mirror or your own eye. Now, out of the box, it's very easy to set up the endoscope to your device, which can be either iPhone, Android, or Windows 10 computer. You download the app to your device, you connect through Wi-Fi to the Depstech endoscope, and that allows you to take pictures, take video at 1080p. Each lens is a 70-degree view that allows you to see in those tight spaces. Now, the cable of the endoscope is 16.5 feet long, so that works well in ducting or other long sections or areas where you're trying to feed the camera into that you just can't get your hand or any other tool into. So you can really see what's going on. Now, when you're using the endoscope, you can also take advantage of rotating the view by 90-degree increments and capture those views either in picture or in video. You can share those videos and pictures through social media or just save them to your device. The endoscope comes with a hook end connection, so if you are trying to pick something out of a tight space, you can use that. Also comes with a little magnet end piece, so you can pull those magnetic items out. Now, the camera is waterproof, so you can use it in those instances where it is a wet environment. When you're using the endoscope, there are 3 views you can utilize. You can look all at once either at the forward-facing camera, the side-facing camera, or you can look at them both at the same time. And that comes in handy if you're looking at cylinder wall scoring, pitting, or damage to, let's say, your valves or your piston. I find that using the endoscope in the automotive realm really comes in handy. It's a critical tool when I'm looking inside engines or tight spaces. I've even dropped a part inside a dash, and the only way I found it was with an endoscope and a tool to pull it out. And thankfully, I did find that part and was able to retrieve it. Now, the great thing of the endoscope as well, you can use it in other areas such as in your home, at work, and other places. Leave a comment down below where you think this endoscope would come in handy. And the plastic housing has a durable feel and quality. It has a internal rechargeable battery charged via USB cable, and it stores neatly into a toolbox. So there you have it. I definitely believe having an endoscope, and especially a dual lens endoscope, in your toolbox is a must. The link to the endoscope is down in the description. Thanks so much for watching. If you do like what you see, consider subscribing if you haven't. Also hit that bell notification. We're currently working on a 1974 260Z, so if you're interested in that, check out some of our other videos. But until next time, we'll see you then.